What's up everybody, this is Randy with On Edge Films and welcome to another tutorial. So with this tutorial we will be doing a really simple 3D title animation, but you will need Element 3D. So if you don't have Element 3D, then this is not the tutorial for you, but if you do, let's jump right into it. Open a new comp, gonna call this animation. Let's do 10 seconds. 10 seconds, 30 frames, 29.97. All right. Gonna do Control or Command Y if you're on a Mac. Control Y to open new solid. Call this Element. Did I spell it right? Yeah. Element. All right. So I am using the Video Copilot plugin to where you hit Control Space and you get the effects console, and you can use this. It's easier to search for your effects versus going over here to effects and presets and typing it all in, and then you will get this little spinny wheel of death for some odd reason. But yeah. Alright. So let's go back. So what you want to do is go to your text tool here, and we're going to type in tutorial. You can use any font. This fonts are too close. Check that back to 0. You can use any font. I'm using code bold. Code, not cold, but code. It's weird. All right. So we're gonna go to element. We're gonna go to custom layers, custom text and layers, and we're gonna go to tutorial. All right. Then you go to scene setup. Then you're gonna go to extrude, and there you have it. So it's a lot of things here. What I like to do is I like to open a plane here. Go to scale. Scale the plane all the way up like so. Go back to my extrusion and just line it up as close as possible. All right, perfect. All right, so you have different preset bevels here that Video Code Andrew Kramer and his team has made. Just drag it on there and you have the preset bevels, whichever ones you want to go with. But yeah, we're gonna start from scratch. So let's start over. All right. Perfect. So what you want to do is you want to go here. Let's do physical black. Just have a problem here. My text is too close. So we can fix that. Just hit OK. Go to your text and just move them out, and then it'll update automatically here. Perfect. We're gonna hide that. Let's go back to scene setup. All right, and let's rename this. Just hit enter. Call this tut. Hit OK. All right, you want to go to bevel copies and do 2. All right, so go to your second bevel here, and we're going to go to Z offset and offset it. Let's get really precise. Perfect. All right, and you're gonna extrude it down like that, and you want to go to expand edges and come in a little bit, and you're gonna end up with something like this. But I want to turn the bevel down on this just a little bit. Bevel size, and then expand the edges outward on the black. Perfect. And we can go in here. We can do, you can do whatever color you want. Let's see what the chrome looks like. Black and chrome, but I'm gonna go with black and gold. Perfect. And you can do as many copies as you want. Let's see. Let's do another copy. Oh no, let's do 3. Let's undo that. Let's do a third. That looks cool. Just like that. Let's see. Just go with chrome in the middle. Perfect. That looks good. Yep. And let's extrude this down some. Go to the chrome, extrude this down like so. And just bring this back in Z space. There you have it. All right. So go back to your plane here. Let's do chrome. Let's go to this icon here for reflection, and we're gonna do mirror surface. There you go. And what I like to do is I like to go down to click on the all right, so we're gonna go to the glossiness and turn it down a little bit, add just a little diffusion there, and there you have it. Now scroll all the way down and you're gonna see matte reflection. So basically what that's doing is, open the camera so I can show you. Yep, you just see the reflection, so it just keeps the reflection and it takes the actual plane that we had off. All right, now let's add some lights. I'm gonna do point lights. It's good. Just like that. All right. Play around with it. All right. Let's duplicate it and let's move this light to the back to get somewhat of a backlight. And we're gonna do top view. All right, cool. And it's starting to look pretty good. Sweet. Let's bring this down some. All right, so let's go ahead and get us a background. New solid. Drag this down and we're gonna do a gradient ramp. Nope. All right, so let's go back to the gradient ramp. Do radio ramp. Bring this down like so, and let's take this out. Well, no, let's do this. Delete that. Let's make this into a 3D object. Bring up the rotation tool. Nope, wrong one. Jesus. All right. We're gonna do negative 90 degrees. And hit this. All right, let's see. All right. Let's double click this, get a mask. Now let's scale this down some, like that. And let's change this to white, like a yellowish, like a light yellow, bright yellow. That'll work. All right, and open a new solid. Make this black. Let's call this BG. For background. Let's go here, hit M to pull up the mask. F to pull up feather, so we can mask this, feather it out. All right, now we gotta go to expand edges. Not expand, mask expansion. Bring it in some. And you can hit this icon here to get rid of the mask. It looks like the mask might be too big. Alright, and so I'm gonna do let's put this back at 100%. Perfect. And let's take the opacity down just a little bit. Alright, cool. Let's save it. Alright, now let's go back to element. Scene setup. Let's get an environment. Let's see what environment will look good with this. Just click through whichever one works best for your sequence. I like that one. The warehouse blurred. Yeah, it's a little dark. Well, I guess it works. Shift the lights a little bit. All right. Guess that works. Let's hit AA on this. Let's change the name to circle mask circle. Either is fine. And accept lights, we're going to turn that off. We do not want it to accept lights. Let's go back to our mask. Bring this in some more. Perfect. All right, starting to look good. Bring this over like this a little more. And let's duplicate this light and bring this over. Nice. All right, so a better camera movement going. All right, so go back to element. We're gonna do that last. Let's get our animation for the camera. All right, so a lot of people like to animate their cameras with a null object. Something simple like this. I won't really use a null object, but just find whatever camera placement you want. I think I'm gonna go start at the bottom. Move back some. All right, so keyframe on position and point of interest. Move it about 5 seconds. And I'm gonna just do a random animation, you know, something just to add movement. Whatever works best for you, but you could do so much. The possibilities are endless. All right, so we're gonna hit. Let's see what we got. Let's go to half. All right, cool. Highlight all your keyframes. Hit F9 to easy ease, and it'll just ease in and ease out. Sweet. All right, so now let's do some final touches. Let's go to render settings. Go to ambient occlusion and enable that, and it just adds a little shadow. See around in here, hit that and just add a little shadows. Go down and we're gonna go to output and enhance multi-sampling. See what it's doing? You see, like, it just looks in here. You see all of this, like, it looks weird. But once you enhance multi-sampling, it helps bring out the quality a little more. All right, so, and there's so much you can do with this. This is just the basics. Something really easy and simple. If you wanna do something like, let's take it a step further. Let's go here. Let's go to particle replicator. Let's open go to keyframes here. All right. So back here, you're gonna set a keyframe to the position XY. We're gonna bring it up. Well, nope. It's a keyframe. Hold on. I got lost. All right. We're on the right track. So you're going to go to the last keyframe where the camera is and set a keyframe on your position XY on particle replicator. Then you're going to go to the beginning and you're going to move it up. Probably out of frame. Cool. Let's bring it back down just so we can see what we're doing. All right. So you want to go to particle look. Close this. Go to particle look and go to multi-object. Enable multi-object. Go to rotation. And you're going to rotate. So let's hit. Let's go here. Keyframe on Y axis here. On your Y axis. Go to the very beginning. And we're going to do 90 degrees. And there you have it. What's going on with the... Let's easy these real quick, but let's go on my camera. Let's change the camera angle. It's cutting off my reflection. Let's do something like this. Oh, okay. I see what's going on. So we gotta go to element. Hit this icon here to do a new group folder. Move that out up above. Do group 2. Take your plane and put that in group 2. So now, yeah. All right. There you have it. Really cool 3D text animation. You can use that for anything. but you have to have Element 3D trim to work with it. So if you do not have Element 3D, I do recommend that you get it. It is a really powerful tool for those who aren't 3D animators and you just want to do basic 3D animation for your motion graphics. It really helped me a lot with my 3D work. This is the first 3D software that I've ever used. I've played with Blender, I've messed around with Cinema 4D, I've messed with 3ds Max, but I just couldn't get with it. So when I discovered what Element 3D was, I was like, wow, I have to have that plugin, and it has took my motion graphics and filmmaking to the next level. And I do recommend that you get this plugin if you are looking to upgrade your motion graphics. Definitely, it is one of my favorite plugins. So yeah, if you like this tutorial, if it helped you at any, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me how I can help you on your next project. I would love to assist you. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.